So in this Discord tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set your status to online here on the Discord application. So once Discord's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on the U icon. Now once you're here, as you can tell below your profile picture in the bottom right, I currently have a gray arrow. This of course stands for invisible. If you want to change this to a green circle or to the online circle, press and hold down on the profile picture where it says change online status. Make sure that online in green is selected. Now, as you can tell, your online status is now set to online. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to set your status to online on Discord. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.